Case study of Southeast Asia's daily production of 95 tons of ammonia system tube ice machines. In 2023, the customer had his first set CBFI 90-ton ammonia tube ice machine. Following 2 years of stable operation and high-yield performance, the customer has once again selected the CBFI 95-ton ammonia system tube ice machine. The ammonia system tube ice machine adopts a split modular structure. Risk isolation is achieved through functional zoning and physical separation, while key components remain easily accessible for regular inspection and maintenance. The core configuration of the ammonia refrigeration system ice tube machines adopt MYCOM compressors and Innomotics motors. Long stroke design and cantilever bearing design significantly enhance compression efficiency while substantially reducing vibration and noise. Consistently delivers high energy efficiency ratios and reliable performance, reduced energy consumption in long-term running and effectively reducing operating costs. CBFI's unique heat exchange technology produces uniformly clear ice cubes, meeting the demands of high-volume, high-quality production. Newly upgraded ice cutting mechanism features high-precision gear drive and slide rail design. Ice output efficiency increased by 40% with low ice breakage rate. Features a quick-release cleaning access panel for easy cleaning and maintenance. Equipped with a cold recovery system to reduce maintenance frequency while improving energy efficiency. The core configuration of the ammonia refrigeration system ice tube machines adopt MYCOM compressors and Innomotics motors, providing one-stop customized solutions for factories of food ice.